Ayurveda, as I say, it's an observational science. It started by observing the nature. We have a big theory, it's called a macrocosm and the microcosm. Macrocosm is the macros, everything grows around us, and microcosm is the tiny representation of the universe, which is your own body. There are 5 elements which we can talk about in the macrocosm as well as the microcosm. So when you look at the space around you, the void around you, there's nothing but space. We always talk about making space for certain things in your inner self as well. If you want to bring good things in, you have to make space for them. To occupy objects in this room, you have to have the space in them. So space is nothing but void, but it is essential to fill things in. If there's no space, nothing can be fitted in. There's the air. Anything that moves, the mobility itself is air. So space would be the vast universe around us. Air would be any of the motion. You can attribute wind as a part of the air element. There's the fire. When we look at volcanoes around us, they are the representation of fire. There's the water, different oceans and lakes, and the mountains can be a representation of the earth. These 5 vital elements are known as Pancha Mahabhutas. Pancha is 5, Maha means gross, and Bhutas are the elements. So the space in our own body, we can see each representation within our own body. When you look at your bones, the hollow in your bones itself is space. When you look at your entire digestive tract, including your mouth, it is space. Then we look at the second one, which is air, which is any movement in your body. For anything, for any synapse to reach your nerves, for any movement, any object to, or any memory to be formed, you need air. Your digestion, your food needs to reach your stomach, it has to pass out. Elimination, everything needs air element. Water is any fluids in your body, any saliva, any digestive fluids, any reproductive fluids are a representation of water. Fire is your sight. Your digestive fire is one of the main fires. It helps transform everything, so that's your digestive fire. And earth, anything gross which gives structure in your body, like your bones, is a representation of the earth. Now these 5 elements combine together to form the 3 main doshas. Have you guys heard about doshas? And can anyone tell me the definition of doshas?